Welcome students. Today we are going to study last chapter of this course, Statistical Distribution of System of Particles. In previous chapter we have studied that when a system contains large number of atoms or molecules, statistical mechanics is applied. Maxwell, Boltzmann, Gibbs applied statistical methods for classical physics. These methods are known as classical statistics, which can explain only phenomenon like temperature, pressure, energy, and they fail to explain black body phenomenon. In thermodynamics, macroscopic properties like pressure, volume, and temperature are studied. Thermodynamic system which consists of molecules in order of Avogadro's number, that is of order 10 raised to 23 atoms per mole, is called as microscopic system. Thermodynamics gives only information of system about its physical properties like pressure, volume, and temperature, but it doesn't tells the information about atoms and molecules present in matter. Along with the thermodynamical properties, statistical mechanics also studies existence of atoms and molecules in the system. It applies laws of mechanics to the atoms and molecules. Simply, we can say that statistical mechanics deals with the microscopic properties of matter, like mass and energy of the particles. It doesn't concern actual molecular motion, but it gives average properties. Next point is specification of state of the system. Thermodynamic state of a gas given by two variables like pressure and volume. Similarly, for the mechanical state of a system, it is specified by two variables like position and momentum. For a simple harmonic oscillator, we know total energy is the addition of kinetic energy and potential energy. This energy is the function of momentum and position, that is p and x. Three-dimensional space in which location of the particle is completely given by three position coordinates is known as position space. If the position is not in moving state, all particles remains fixed at various points in the space. Next point is momentum space. If the system is moving, particles have velocity and momentum. Position of a particle completely given by three position coordinates x, y, and z in three-dimensional space. Momentum of particle completely given by three mutually perpendicular momentum coordinates px, py, and pz in three-dimensional space is known as momentum space. Next point is phase space. Combination of position space and momentum space is known as phase space. It has 6 dimensions, 3 of position and 3 from momentum space. Position of particle in a phase space given by a point with 6 coordinates x, y, z, px, py, pz. Volume element in phase space is also multiplication of volume element in position and momentum space. Next point is degrees of freedom. Number of coordinates required to specify state of system is known as degrees of freedom. For example, for the oscillator performing simple harmonic motion along x-axis, its energy state is specified by position and momentum coordinates. Simply, E is the function of P and X. The two-dimensional space formed by P and X coordinates called as phase space. Consider example of phase space for one-dimensional oscillator. As shown in the diagram, point A in a phase space gives state of one-dimensional simple harmonic oscillator. For one-dimensional simple harmonic oscillator, total energy is the function of momentum and position, that is P and X. Divide the equation of energy throughout by E. We get P square divided by 2me plus x square upon 2e divided by k is equal to 1, which is the equation of ellipse in two-dimensional phase space. Under root 2me is the semi-minor axis, that is denoted by small b, and under root 2e divided by k is the semi-major axis of the ellipse, denoted by small a. The figure represents path followed by point in phase space, which is the elliptical phase trajectory. As we see in last slide, when oscillator performs simple harmonic motion along x-axis, phase point describes ellipse of constant area A is equal to capital T into E, where T is the periodic time of the oscillator, equal to 2 pi divided by omega, where omega is the angular frequency. From this, we can conclude, though oscillator performs one-dimensional motion, but phase point moves in two-dimensional space. Point is mu space or molecular space. The space formed by 6 coordinates x, y, z, px, py, pz is the mu space. It is not given diagrammatically, but phase point in classical mechanics is replaced by element dp into dx, which is equal to h, and h is the Planck's constant. In 6-dimensional mu space, volume of element is given by h cube, and area element is dp into dx, called as phase cell. To understand the concept of gamma space, consider system containing n particles moving freely in space. For specification of system P1, P2, P3 up to P3n are the momentum coordinates, and Q1, Q2 up to Q3n are the position coordinates are required. Such 6n coordinates determine state of the system with single point in phase space. This 6n dimensional phase space known as gamma space. For the study of statistical mechanics, we have to understand what is the meaning of macrostate and microstate. Macrostate is the state of system specified by its macroscopic properties like pressure, volume, temperature, and energy. For the specification of macrostate, macroscopic variables like P, V, T, and E are used. For example, consider 4 distinguishable particles A, B, C, and D. And these 4 particles distribute into similar parts in open box. The possible ways in which 4 particles distributed into 2 parts shown in table, where D1, D2, D3, D4 and D5 are the distributions first, second, third, fourth and fifth respectively. For the distribution first, D1, there is no particle in first part of the box, and there are 4 particles in second part. In this way, we obtain 5 distribution 0, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1 and 4, 0, called as macrostates. Total number of macrostates for n particles is n plus 1. In the given example, there are 4 particles A, B, C, D, and we get 5 distributions, that is 5 macrostates. 041322 and 40. Next is microstate, state of the system in which states of all constituent particles are specified. It's called microstate or microscopic state, which is specified by using microscopic variables. Macrostate is the point in the phase space as shown in the figure. There is large number of microstates corresponding to each macrostate. Hence, macrostate is represented to volume in phase space, which is shown in the figure.